First, we will need to remove the OEM mirror. Here we will loosen the set screw, slide the mirror up and off the bracket, and remove the OEM mirror. Once removed, place the MRC-HDDVR mirror onto the factory mounting bracket and tighten the set screw and tuck the wiring into the headliner. Now we will remove the A-pillar trim bezel so that we can route the main mirror power harness. To remove, pull the rubber door gasket down and pull outward on the trim bezel. Next, grab the mirror power harness and route the mirror monitor connector left from the previous step. Be sure to avoid any airbags or sharp surfaces. Plug the two connectors together and route the cable down the A-pillar, tucking it behind the dash. Next, we will install the GPS antenna. To install, remove the tape backing and stick the antenna to the desired location. Here we have stuck the antenna to the dash just beside the A-pillar. Now route the cable down the A-pillar and tuck the cable into the side of the dash along with the power harness. At this point, you can reinstall the trim bezel and rubber gasket. Now we will install the rear camera. Find a suitable mounting location, remove the tape backing, and stick the camera into place. Next, route the camera cable into the vehicle. Plug in the camera extension cable. Route the red wire to the reverse lamp wiring. Using a digital multimeter, test the find a reverse wire. Strip the wire and connect the red camera trigger wire to the vehicle's reverse wire. Insulate the connection with tape. Now we will route the camera extension cable to the front of the vehicle. Tuck the cable under the plastic panels along the side of the car, ending at the dash. Next, plug the camera extension cable into the camera power harness. Plug the GPS antenna into the camera power harness and neatly arrange the cabling and secure with zip ties. Route the power cables to the connection point and tuck the excess cable into the dash. Ground the harness to the vehicle using a self-tapping screw to a solid metal surface. If applicable to your vehicle, attach the provided fuse tabs to the power wires and use a digital multimeter to find a constant and accessory power fuse. If the fuse tabs are not applicable to your vehicle, use a digital multimeter to find a power point for the constant and accessory wires. Strip the wires back and make the appropriate connections, then insulate with tape. Now your installation is complete. Replace any panels removed during the install. Be sure to power on the mirror and adjust the parking lines to your preference using the touchscreen monitor.